Do you think dating is harder now than it was for our parents?
Yeah, it is. Because
Why?
okay, according to our generation, when you look at it from a dating perspective, it's a bit harder because it's hard to find loyal people. Umejua at least kitambo walikuwa washa conform to that traditional point of view that your man can have one, two wives, three wives. As per now, people are more modern than traditional. Hakuna mwenye anataka kuwa bibi wa pili.
What's your type?
In men,
Mm.
a person who thinks, mtu mwenye anafikiria. I feel like I tend to look at people's IQs more than people's pockets. Because your IQ matters a lot. Like, huwezi kuwa mjinga juu uko na pesa. Tumia tu akili. Si ngumu kutumia akili mara moja.